What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com and I'm here with a very exclusive remote. This is the Cadillac Escalade 2015 and I want to get into the quick test on it before we get it mailed out to the customer. So let me go ahead and wake up the tester. Now, let me hold it steady. Alright, there we go. So you can see that's the remote start and you can hold it too. You see it's holding. Great. Now we're going to do the trunk button. Perfect. Let's swipe over and do the unlock and the lock. Wish you could let me focus that thing. Tried to. It still looks the same. It's kind of bright, but unlock. Beautiful. Lock. Beautiful. Let's do the physical buttons. This is unlock. This is lock. It's brand new, guys. The button's a little stiff. Cool. It's alright. It's brand new. Now let's do the power button. That's cool. Now, trunk is on this other side. Trunk is working perfectly. Trunk on this Escalade will be the big fold, you know, the big trunk, not the window. So again, we got lock. Let's do lock on the screen. Cool. Unlock. Nice. Let's do unlock button, physical. Nice. Let's do trunk. And let's do the physical trunk button. I mean the screen trunk button. And last but not least, we have the remote start. Now this key also has remote start all the way over here at the end. Let's say you're walking outside, you swipe to your engine unlock button. Your engine start stop button. I got it set for 3 seconds. And it did work. Let's do it again. Engine start stop. You just hold it. It does a little display and it presses your remote start button, which was the triangle, or actually the diamond key. I tell everybody it's the diamond key, this one. That's your remote start. So again, this is the V7 LCD Smart Key, exclusive, silver. This is the alloy. This thing is heavy metal, y'all. And I'm actually including a nice clip for him. This clip, he'll be able to clip it onto his belt clip. And if you want to get one of these for your truck or your car, give me a call, 678-400-9150. Also, look up my website, lcdsmartkey.com. Catch you on the next one.
Tesla. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.